Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you to someone's which is very special. She's Nimi Suri, based here in Goa, but I think she's not from Goa. Let's see. Okay, hi Nimi ji.
Hare Krishna.
Oh, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare.
इस मंत्र में बहुत मैजिक
बहुत magic है. It's the magic. So we are here to create magic.
yeah.
So let me welcome Nimi Suri.
Thank you, Komal.
And Nimi Suri, can I ask you a question? So basically, you are from where?
Originally, I am from UK, and then like 15 years ago, I came to Bangalore.
Okay.
Just to have fun, actually.
Okay,
Not
fun.
to-
You from UK. You came here for fun.
to adventure.
Adventure. Okay,
Adventure.
okay. So
Because
did you
बच्चे
find
बुच्चे
that
settle हो गए थे.
हाँ, so like
तो
fun.
अकेले क्यों रहना है?
हाँ.
Let's go and explore my
Explore.
own hometown,
Okay, okay.
which I did not know anything
you
about.
Are, so
India.
basically, your hometown is Bangalore.
No,
No.
we are Punjabis.
Punjabis,
We are
okay.
based. We were originally from Lahore, and then after partition, we came to
so
Punjab.
like
yeah.
UK and Lahore and Punjabi and then Goa.
Now
no,
Goa.
Now finally Goa.
Yes,
So,
Goa is a destination.
Goa is a destination. So then you are here. But how come you are starting something unique is there? No, you are doing Bhagavad Gita. What is basically, can you just tell me a little about this
Well,
Bhagavad Gita?
I came across Bhagavad Gita in Bangalore. In our complex, we were having sessions every week. So I thought, let me go and see. But I really felt very happy when they were talking about Krishna,
okay.
and how balanced life one can have. So I started going, and I felt we were learning quite a lot. You know, I was changing. I was learning about Bhagavad Gita, which I had no knowledge about.
So like Goa has got some unique concept. It's
Yes.
like learn through Bhagavad Gita.
Yes.
Good.
After all, Bhagavad Gita is a teaching.
Teaching. Okay.
Teaching way of life. And if you can master that, I tell you there is nothing like it.
So
people
like,
do not
people-
value it.
So like people of Goa, I wanted to tell you that you have to value life.
Yes.
So you have to learn through Bhagavad Gita.
Gita.
And that is the simple way of learning and living your life.
Yes. The teachings are very simple, and once you learn the Bhagavad Gita, there are a lot of shlokas. Our Prabhuji, he comes to teach us, and we do projects, you know, we do classes.
Classes according to their like the sessions.
Which will help us on a
Okay.
daily
So
basis.
basically you have like what concept you are like following here?
Well,
so
at
how
the
you are
moment,
starting
for
here?
example, we did a foundation course which covers the whole of Bhagavad Gita. You do things on happiness,
Okay.
choices you make in life.
So anyone
how to
can attend
forgive.
that?
Yes.
Okay.
Anyone who's wants to improve their life.
Improve their life.
They
So
are most
anyone who
welcome.
wants to improve their life, then they can use this
Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita. So can you like I think this, no this. Can I see this?
Yes.
This is basically.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is Bhagavad Gita, but it's like Bhagavad Gita is so much. No, when I like look about books, it's like I am always tired. I think okay, let's not talk
Well,
about
maybe
books.
that's why you need to go to the classes.
Okay, fine. Okay.
There are Zoom classes. You
Good.
know, it might look difficult, but when somebody explains it to you, like our Prabhuji explains every shloka, he explains the reasons behind it.
Okay.
Then you understand it when a person is explaining it
So,
to you rather
like,
than you reading
So
it.
he is like basically explaining every concept through a story,
Yes.
through a real teachings or something.
Experiences, etc., of Krishna, Arjun. What was the meaning behind that? What is the meaning behind this? What is the meaning behind that?
So I
But
think
we-
like the today in the real world, the people have forgot about many things. So I think they need that learnings. So that
definitely-
Bhagavad Gita, I think this is the unique concept.
I personally feel everybody should read it because it will help them make an easy life, make correct decisions. Be happy. Let me tell you what we talk about happiness. Oh, I'm not happy. I'm
Yeah,
miserable,
basically
this,
people are
that.
like that only.
You know, I'm not
they are
happy.
like running
Yeah, I'm
towards.
miserable.
Yeah.
Well, don't, and we go and ask God, मैं आपको मेरे ये कर दो, मैं आपको 10 रुपए
Yeah,
दूंगा,
yeah,
ये कर
something
दो. It's all
bargaining,
bribery, no?
yeah, bribing or
But
bargaining.
God says, what do you do for me?
Yeah.
Do you do 5-minute prayer for
Values,
me? Do you
the
do
real
this?
values are lost
But
now.
if you want to be happy, you have to know how to be happy. If you make wrong decisions in your life, how can you be happy?
No, one more thing I will say, like on the camera only, send like if you talk bad, if you eat bad, if you drink bad, everything is bad, your life is bad, but if you talk good, you
Komal,
take good,
most
something
important
हाँ,
is karma.
yeah, exactly, I agree
अच्छे
on that.
कर्म करोगे,
Yeah, I agree.
भगवान का नाम
नाम
लोगे,
लोगे तो देख
तो
कहीं ना कहीं, हाँ.
there is almighty watching you.
agreed.
देखो एक माइनस प्लस,
Yeah,
माइनस एंड
plus,
प्लस,
हाँ.
आप माइनस
So you have to
लोगों
balance,
के
yeah.
बातें करोगे, यू आर माइनस. इसका मतलब नहीं आप कल अच्छी बात करोगे तो वो प्लस हो जाएगा,
Yeah.
वो माइनस ही रहेगा. माइनस माइनस माइनस. सो यू हैव टू लर्न टू डू प्लस प्लस प्लस. एंड वो कैसे होगा? अच्छे कर्म करो.
So like Nimi ji, like आप इतनी शांत because of this Bhagavad Gita, like आप इतनी शांत कैसे, मतलब
I think is understanding the way of life.
life, okay.
The understanding, because
I always because I always
no फायदा.
yeah,
गुस्से में क्या होता
destruction,
है? किसको
नुकसान.
होता है? मुझको होगा.
yeah.
Nobody else will be affected except for मैं.
Yeah.
मेरा ब्लड प्रेशर हाई हो जाएगा, मुझे मेडिसिन लेनी पड़ेगी.
Like it's like okay, that's totally different on the health. So basically, like your all concept is like if you get angry, your health will impact. So basically, so like as you are a woman and like everybody, every woman is growing now. I think in today's world, woman is growing like a aeroplane.
it's a
They have,
very
yeah.
good- but
So this is an
grow with the
empowerment, right direction.
right values. And I think most important, children, we should bring Bhagavad Gita to the school.
To the school, yeah. I think even as you have talked that अगर हम गुस्सा करेंगे तो health impact करेगी. So can I ask you a question, please? Sorry to interrupt you. That everything, in despite of doing everything, Bhagavad Gita, are you focusing on your health?
Of course.
So what are you doing for your woman health? Basically हम कहते हैं कि जो woman होती है, नारी, वो सबका ध्यान रखने के चक्कर में खुद का ही ध्यान रखना ही भूल जाती है. So it's like
that is, I mean, when you are a mother, you know, मैंने एक बार एक talk की थी WWW, women will power, this that.
Yeah, something.
But we are also individuals as well, ना?
exactly.
I mean, it's
So
nice
वो
to be a mother, sister,
नहीं,
brother,
exactly, जो
not
भी है,
brother,
like,
but जो भी है. But you are a woman yourself, so you have to look after your health.
So you have to take care of सब like first अपना ध्यान रखो, उसके बाद आप दूसरे का. अगर आप अपना ही ध्यान नहीं रखोगे
Also, if you're shant and spiritually connected, you're very peaceful within yourself. But in this day and age, you have to do exercise, you do scent training, eat properly.
हाँ, so you the basic, हाँ, exactly, I agree. हमारे
It's delicious है.
Exactly, very good. बहुत अच्छा point आपने उठाया. It's like basically again there isn't talk for that point. आपने बोला खाना अच्छा नहीं है. So like it's basically like pollution. हर जगह गंदा है, सब कुछ गंदा है. No, nothing is pure. टेस्टी है मगर मज़ा नहीं आई. मज़ा क्या, पेट को मज़ा नहीं आई, हमारी टंग को तो बहुत मज़ा आई.
See, why do the sadhus don't eat all these?
They eat actually. I think they don't nothing.
But you know, it's only 1 minute taste.
वही सबको तो मज़ा नहीं आई, बट हमारी जीभ को बहुत मज़ा आई. It's like very simple.
second आता है.
एक सेकंड यार वो.
So you know, like I used to drink earlier on, and now I cut down a lot.
Cut down a lot. It's okay, but it's like how you learn. It's like always you're following, and how you're following is your teachings.
I think
So basically, it's basically on like you have to follow the right path, as Krishna says. कि क्या बोलते हैं, कर्म करते जाओ, फल की चिंता मत करो. So like you have to do your things what you are doing, and you don't have to talk like what क्या हो जाए. Everything is lined up by him only.
I think if you are spiritually connected and you have faith in Krishna, you have to believe कि जो हो रहा है, there is a reason for it. So if, for example, if I have met some bad people in my life and I'm upset because they've gone out, जब मेरा उनके साथ नहीं बना है.
Yes, exactly.
Well, don't worry about it, because maybe it's Krishna's way of teaching you कि they are not the right person in your journey of life. They are not maybe bad people, but उनकी journey different है to my journey. So he declutters.
So he is the only one who just choose the right thing for everyone, I think.
Everyone.
So, or maybe the time.
For me, because
can
I
you say
believe
this
in
is
him.
time, like which teaches us कि ऐसा कहीं like this is the concept which is real कि जब समय आता है तब होता है. It's like
No. This is just a myth. If you start believing at the age of 5, you should
true.
start.
I agree. Because because I have heard someone कि कोई बात नहीं, करते जाओ, बट जब समय आता है तभी मिलता है.
No, because देखो मेरा समय इसलिए आया because I didn't have the
Yeah,
values in
okay,
the UK.
okay, maybe that teachings you are not having, but okay, that means the teacher and the mentoring, like someone, if you,
From
yeah.
the age of 5, I think if every child in India or
Like
in school,
you want the right mentoring and
Yeah.
right guidance. If you have that you will
what
definitely
is
reach.
I come from a Western world. Okay, I'm from the Western,
Western world.
and I think we have so much beauty in India, so much culture,
Culture.
so much respect, so much. But now we are not focusing.
Yeah, focusing, exactly.
Not we are
For,
not
we are
focused.
yeah, we are lack of focus because
We are
this is-
going
yeah,
after the Western
yeah,
culture.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
We actually we are
Western
following the
culture.
trend. Actually,
Yeah.
we are following. जो सब कर रहे हैं वही हम कर रहे हैं. हम बोल तो बड़ी बड़ी बातें देते हैं कि हाँ वो कर रहे हैं तो हम भी करेंगे. But exactly क्या वो हम कर रहे हैं? No, we are not doing the same.
See, look, when we go to Bhagavad Gita classes, when Prabhuji is there for 1 hour explaining to you, we are thinking,
हाँ,
oh God,
biting your
Prabhuji,
nails.
Yes, it's so easy.
Easy,
How
yeah.
come we are not doing it? And then we have the opportunity.
this is called the right
to
mentoring and the right,
practicing. What he teaches us, you have to practice it. And believe me, I am really now focused. I love Krishna.
कृष्ण.
I
सो
love
बेसिकली आई थिंक निमी जी, जैसे कि आप बोलते हो कि आप कृष्णा को प्यार करते हो, सो आई
love
थिंक द रियल कृष्णा इज इनसाइड योर सेल्फ एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू आर गिविंग टू लाइक गोवा, लाइक पीपल जो भी गोवा में हैं, आसपास हैं. सो आई थिंक अगर जिसको भी भगवद गीता के बारे में पढ़ना है या उनकी टीचिंग्स लेनी है, सो डेफिनेटली द राइट वन टू कॉन्टैक्ट एज निमी सूरी. एंड निमी जी, आई विल वन मोर टॉपिक आई विल चीज की, मैंने बहुत सारी पेंटिंग्स देखे आपके घर पे. ये समथिंग, सो लाइक एवरीथिंग, आई थिंक यू आर एन आर्टिस्ट, आप पेंटिंग भी करते हैं. So
yeah,
can you
that
tell,
is also a God's gift. Let me tell you, I'm not a trained artist.
Okay.
During COVID time, I just started and suddenly I realized, but ये gift कहाँ से आया?
कृष्णा. हाँ, कृष्णा से. सो मतलब सब कुछ प्यार पे डिपेंड करता है. लाइक द लव ऑफ योर लाइफ इज बेसिकली कृष्णा नाउ.
I think Dhruv was saying that he played as a
ध्रुव.
child.
हाँ, ध्रुव.
But
अभी ध्रुव का
now-
भी नाम आ गया.
But I just remembered when he said, see, Krishna has always been
सो
with
ध्रुव,
me.
ध्रुव इज बेसिकली जो मैं यहाँ आज हूँ और मैं यहाँ बैठ के जो मुझे पिक्चर कर रहा है, इट्स लाइक बैक कैमरा, माई बैक पीपल, विच इज ध्रुव. Hats off to you, Dhruv. Thank
So
you for that.
when he said he played Krishna, I remembered at the age of 5, I also played Krishna.
कृष्णा. सो इट्स
So
लाइक
Krishna
बचपन
has-
से ही आपके अंदर कृष्णा
है,
था.
था, but
आई थिंक निमी जी, हर किसी के अंदर होते हैं कृष्णा. लाइक आई थिंक गॉड इज इनसाइड
God is us.
हाँ, बट
But
ओनली
we
द थिंग
have
वी हैव
to
टू निकालना है उसको
निकालना
और उसको समझना है.
समझना
Yes.
है and
और भक्ति करनी है, एटलीस्ट थोड़ी सी, जो भी है, जितना कर सकते हो आप.
Krishna doesn't ask a lot.
lots
He said बस 2 मिनट मुझे याद
कर लो, हाँ.
24 hours में आप
hours,
2
दो मिनट,
देखो,
हाँ.
आप जो कुछ जिंदगी के मिलता है
हाँ,
वो भगवान की वजह से
मिलता है.
If I have a lovely life,
Life,
like
yeah,
this,
because of,
with
हाँ,
this,
business.
do you not think Krishna
Yeah,
has
Krishna
a
has-
role
yeah,
in
yeah,
it?
role, it's
और
a
मैं
task.
अच्छे कर्म करती हूँ तो अच्छी
अच्छी
चीजें
चीज़ें
मिलती है
मिलती
ना.
हैं, exactly, I
मैं
agree.
बुरे कर्म करूंगी
तो बुरे
फिर दुखी होंगी
दुखी
ना.
होंगी, करेक्ट,
तो
एग्जैक्टली. दिस इज द
I
पॉइंट.
really focus on doing good karma. अभी पीछे मैं किसी से मिली थी, they started talking about people. I say,
Yeah, it's like
I'm doing
backbitching,
Bhagavad Gita.
gossiping. Everybody is doing gossiping.
I
Yo,
said, I do
gossip.
Bhagavad Gita. We cannot gossip. We cannot talk.
Yeah.
Please, ये मत करो.
Concentration is the
Yeah.
main thing. Like you have to focus on the things which you are into it.
Yeah, and we learn so much. I mean, I've learned to forgive people because
So-
if we don't forgive
Yeah.
people who hurts, I will hurt
Even
myself.
I have something to tell that like आज जो मैं यहाँ बैठ पाई हूँ, it's like I was also full of destruction. मैंने हमेशा डिस्ट्रक्शन ही किया लाइफ में कि कहीं कुछ से झगड़ा कर मुझे समझ नहीं आता था, आई एम लाइक इनटू एक्सप्लोजन. बट एज आई मतलब जितना मैं समझ पाई अपने को, इट्स लाइक आई थिंक डिस्ट्रक्शन में कुछ रखा नहीं है. लाइक यू हैव टू take it chill, take
Darling,
it calm.
Komal, when you feel like that, I think the best thing is to take a deep breath and
yeah,
count
move,
to
yeah.
10 because वो जो लफ्ज़
पॉज
आपके
पॉज अभी मुझे
निकल जाते
अभी
हैं
मुझे
ना,
अभी रिसेंटली मुझे कोई तो मिला कल. आई वाज लाइक इनटू एन सेशन ऑफ माय कंपनी. सो उसमें वो मुझे बोला कभी भी ऐसे अटक जाओ या कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू स्टॉप एवरीथिंग, यू हैव टू स्टॉप, यू हैव टू काउंट 1 2 3 4 एंड से स्टॉप एंड फोकस एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू वांट.
Yeah.
So
I'll tell you one thing. Long time ago, once Swamiji taught us this. Now it'll take 2 seconds.
Yeah,
to
yeah, definitely,
explain. Watch.
Watch.
Watch की spelling क्या है?
WATCH.
WATCH.
Oh, great.
Watch.
Watch.
Right? Watch. W. watch the words that come out of your mouth.
This is
because
very
they-
important. Now listen
Because you can never take them back.
carefully.
Watch the words that you say from your mouth, because they will never, you cannot take them back. Watch. A, for the actions you take in life, always take good action.
Very nice.
WAT,
T
have good thoughts,
Thoughts.
for everyone.
for everyone. Okay. Wow,
Everyone.
that's so nice.
So, because if you have good thoughts for anybody, that's very important. That's good karma.
Good karma.
WATC, have good character.
Character. Wow, so nice.
Good
That is very
character.
important. I
Yeah.
think for a woman,
Yeah.
character
Always
is the
maintain- not for
main
women,
thing, main
for
forte.
For everybody, maintain good character. WATCH. H for
I don't know.
heart.
Heart. Okay.
जो
wow.
भी करना है
Unique.
दिल से करो.
दिल से
From your
करो.
heart.
Wow, so much.
So if you do these things,
हाँ,
5
but
things.
like I think watch is like समय. समय किसी के लिए नहीं रुकता, तो अगर आप समय के हिसाब से चलोगे तो
Yeah.
everything
But see,
follows in the
it's
line.
very important. Watch the words you say. सब जब गुस्सा आता है, 2 मिनट रोक
2 मिनट रुक लो सच
2
में।
मिनट रुक लो, because एक बार कह दिया,
कह दिया तो वो वापस नहीं आएगा।
ये गलती
तीर
हम
निकल
सब
गया
ने-
तो वापस नहीं
हम
आएगा।
सब ने किया। But now with Bhagavad Gita, I just
True,
calm
true,
down a
very
little
true.
bit.
So-
And किसी के साथ आर्ग्यूमेंट भी नहीं करना, कोई फायदा नहीं है.
So Nimi ji, what is this? Can I?
We'll do that one.
This? Okay. So this is
This
so
book-
heavy.
I know it's very heavy. This has become my table book.
Okay. So basically this is Krishna art. Okay.
As you said, I'm an artist. I paint.
So this is like how this comes. Like this is because of this book.
Prabhuji gifted me
Okay, the
this
Prabhuji
book
gifted you
because
this book.
I'm an artist and I paint a lot of Krishna. You will see Krishna, Ganesha in my house. So he gifted me this painting so that I can be inspired.
Okay.
You know, this is Prabhupada. He started ISKCON Krishna consciousness. So you can see. See now, I just maybe wanting to paint that.
Great.
See, it's
wow.
a beautiful. You imagine that's a beautiful
That's
painting.
a beautiful painting. So
could
it's
be-
like what you see, you can imagine and you can paint.
I can paint it on oil, you know, or add my version to it. So he's gifted me this book so that I'm inspired to
Wow,
paint
so nice.
Krishna.
And this is like, this book is so like, you know,
Yes.
why this is so short and, you know, unique.
Well, then you
No,
can read it and लंबा होगा तो आपके पास समय नहीं
होगा, या फिर
छोटा
will
सा
get
पढ़
bored,
लेना,
yeah,
bored.
something
So छोटे
But this is
description
nice,
नहीं
very
है.
nice.
So I'm inspired. I have painted quite a few Krishnas from
Wow,
this
so
book.
nice.
So it's a beautiful,
So this is a book gifted
beautiful.
by you, by Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, he's gifted to
nice.
me because I'm a good girl.
See, good girl, you are a good girl.
And also
because
I'm-
you pray Krishna and you follow
Yeah.
Krishna actually.
And
The
also
Krishna
I
is
must
your
tell
love
you
of
another
life, yeah.
thing as well. We have a Goshala in
Goshala.
Charam.
So we have a Goshala here in Goa only?
Yes, in Charam.
So can
and,
you just tell me like little elaborate
well,
about that?
The Goshala has, it was, okay, let me tell you a
Yeah.
story.
Haan.
It was my birthday couple of years ago
Okay.
and I said to Prabhuji, I wish I could adopt a cow.
Oh, wow.
And he said, नहीं माता जी
Cow
हमारे
संभालना
बड़े
तो
पैसे
बहुत
लगते
दिक्कत
हैं
है।
मेंटेनेंस करने के
हाँ।
लिए. So I said, oh, it's my birthday. I wish I could have
Oh.
a cow. Everybody has a dog and a
Yeah,
cat. I wanted
exactly.
a cow.
Oh.
So
That's so nice of you thinking like yeah. Even I've seen Goa is like big of everybody is having a pet like dog, pet like cat.
But I wanted a cow.
हाँ.
So next morning 10 बजे मुझे प्रभु जी का फोन आया एंड ही सेड माता जी आप कुछ और भी मांगती ना
तो भी मिल
जाता
ओह,
क्यों क्या हुआ
क्यों cow मिल
he
गई?
said एक बच्चड़ा हुआ है
Oh wow.
I said
कहाँ
मेरा
हुआ, कहाँ हुआ?
मेरा
मेरा है, okay.
I want to adopt
Oh,
him.
wow, so
Obviously you have to pay
हाँ,
some money
pay some money.
donation
Okay,
to
okay,
adopt
okay.
तो मैंने कहा मैं उसका नाम सूर्या कृष्णा रखेगा
Oh wow. Achha, so there the same like that calf is there in your that Goshala.
Goshala.
Okay, wow, nice.
But I have to tell you, 5 cows, Bachura's little calves, have been adopted by our Bhagavad Gita group.
Oh wow.
So we are really blessed, and I thank those people who have helped me to adopt these 5. So mine is Surya Krishna. We have Janvi Sita.
Oh, wow.
We have Ganga.
Okay, sir, like name you just जो भी imagine करा आपने name.
नहीं, मैंने तो सूर्य कृष्णा, मेरा नाम सूरी है.
Oh, सूर्य, okay.
सूर्य
सूर्य,
तो
okay. Krishna
why-
is your love, तो सूर्य Krishna. Oh wow, that's
कृष्णा
so.
मेरी मम्मी
हाँ,
का नाम
मम्मी.
है.
Oh,
so
that's so
Surya
nice.
Krishna is so
And you know Geeta is my mother's name.
There you are. So you can adopt a cow. But उसके साथ होता है you get blessed.
Blessing.
See, dogs are lovely
Dogs
as well.
are lovely,
My
yeah.
children have
Children,
dogs and
हाँ.
cats. And my son said to me, "You want to adopt a cow?" I said, "Yes, I
Yes.
want to adopt a cow." So every year we make a donation to
Okay,
the
donation.
Goshala,
Okay.
and that takes care of all the medical,
medical.
and you know
That is so unique. Yeah, you.
Komal,
this is like
you
yeah.
have to go and
Yeah.
see, because
Definitely
the
I'll
cows,
go
the
with my
cows-
team.
The cows are, please, I invite you to take videos, because all the cows
Yeah,
are so
we will
beautiful.
film. We will film that something.
Yeah. See, on the road.
Then you have to give us donation, huh? You will give us donation. We'll
No,
go and
you have to give donation to Krishna.
yeah, to Krishna.
But Goshala में ये
Yeah.
क्या होता है? The cows are roaming in the fields.
okay.
Here, poor cows
Yeah,
are roaming
poor-
on
yeah,
the street
exactly.
eating plastic. Because we give donation to the Goshala,
so that,
they
that
are
they
well
should take-
protected. They are
nice,
looked
nice.
after. They are now. We've adopted 5,
okay.
but they are total
Total
about 5, 20
20 cows. Okay, so like this is like a yeah, like it. They are like doing their everything. So we have like it's like our
actually
taking
we
care.
do nothing.
Yeah.
We just give donation.
Yeah.
सेवा तो वो प्रभु जी
वही
करते हैं,
हाँ.
जो प्रभु जी वहाँ
वहाँ पे रह रहे हैं,
सेवक
सेवा.
होते हैं, सारा उनका
So Goa has now Goshala also.
Yes,
So
please.
unique.
We have
Goa has Bhagavad Gita and Goa has Goshala. So stay tuned for more.
Yes, I think we are very blessed. I mean, these 5 people who have
Joined
adopted
this,
the cows.
Okay. I think
the
Rushali
blessing-
is also talking.
No, she has not. But I'm working
Ah,
on it.
yeah, but she will do.
So,
I
I think what happens, I am just so focused on these good things. I feel, okay, I'll tell you, I
So,
feel,
when Nimiji, can we end with this? So
Yeah.
let me. They are also waiting. I think.
Yeah.
So we'll end. So I just wanted to thank you for like having a talk with me, because I really wanted to tell Goa people that there are some unique people. They are not from Goa, but they are based in Goa. They are doing something unique here in with Bhagavad Gita. So Jai Shri Krishna. I will end my talk here with a precise thing. Jai Shri Krishna, Hare Rama,
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Komal. And may I just gift you this book?
हुआ जरूर
Because what will happen, yesterday was Gita Jayanti.
हाँ,
so
Gita Jayanti. So
it is blessed.
oh, that's so nice. I am also
like
like, you know, blessed to get Bhagavad. I think I definitely go into the position where I'm going to.
Well, you just do 5 days,
Yeah,
5
yeah,
minutes a
definitely,
day, you'll be blessed by Krishna. Krishna is watching all of us.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you. और हाँ जी, ये स्माले के बारे में थोड़ा बताओ. What is this basically?
This is the Maha Mantra. You're
Maha
supposed to jap the Maha Mantra as many. Actually, I'll tell you, if you're stressed out, jap the mantra 108 times.
Okay. So it's like कभी भी परेशान हो या वो तो it's like you have to jump.
I mean, फालतू बातें करने
हाँ,
की जरूरत
तो जपो ना
108 times
That's so
japo,
nice, हाँ.
and you know you're jumping Hare Ram,
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna
Okay.
Krishna, Hare Hare, 108 times. If you can do 3-4 malas in a day,
Okay. So this is very nice and
it's
relaxed.
a very relaxing way.
and calm.
And also, if you're stressed, say your mind is sort of इधर उधर जा रहा है, take the mala and japo, and I promise you, once you do 20-30 ना Hare Krishna,
हाँ,
Hare,
so like
that वो
that
जो
वो
आपके
चला-
issue
हाँ, वो
problem
चले
थी ना
जाएंगे,
वो चले
चलेगा.
जाएगा,
That's
because
so
you're
nice.
japping the mantra. Mahamantra.
Mahamantra.
Mahamantra is not an ordinary mantra.
This is Mahamantra.
So this also is very important and part of the consciousness. Krishna, this.
Okay, thank you, Nimiji. Thank you so
You're
much for
welcome.
giving us your unique and
Yeah.
precious time for.
I just hope everybody
thank you
learns
so
a
much.
little
But
bit
this
from
is
that.
also very unique. So, from where you got this?
Actually, somebody gifted this to me, so
Even I have learned now. So definitely you will get a gift from me with that Krishna. I know
Thank
your
you.
accessories. You are very alcoholic and accessories, and we have like I have a brand called Khazana. So basically, it's like a unique accessories brand in which you have everything in a reasonable rates.
ठीक है.
So you can
I
follow
look
my-
forward
yeah.
to receiving
Definitely,
a Krishna from
definitely,
you.
definitely.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah,
Hare
thank you,
Krishna,
Nimiji.
Hare Krishna.